Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 25th, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic news today, just one major number coming out today out of the United States, and that's at 4 o'clock South African time. It's a consumer confidence number, CB number. It is an important number and definitely something that you need to look at and to just be aware of, because if it's outside of the norm, it can definitely shake the market. We've had a nice run in the market the last couple of days. So let's look at the charts. And we're going to start here with the Euro USD. Okay, we're looking at the Euro USD here. It's trading at 106-ish level, 108.6-ish level. So it's right there with the resistance level right here. We gapped up. It's not looking like it's taking up, but I'd like to see some continuation on the upside for the euro to actually see that it's getting stronger. So keep an eye on this to see how it's going to unfold. GBP USD, same thing. Just this looks a little bit more of a lagger. At 127.99 we had this big run, and then we're just sliding off. So you might look to actually short these two, Euro USD and the GBP USD. So just if you do decide to short them, you might want to look to actually scale in a little bit and see how the trade is working for you, and if it is working for you, they can get a little bit more aggressive. Looking at gold, retracing a little bit to 1273, not much from yesterday. Okay, because we're pretty much unched as yesterday. But looking at the Dow Jones, we're really continuing our buying. We're trading here at 20,755, and we're hitting this, we're coming closer to this 20,784-ish level, 7,800-ish level, where I put my next resistance spot. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see previous support. Let's look at a daily here. It's a little bit harder to see, but we had this retracement back from 20,000, 21,000, 100-ish level, and we retraced it. We sold off lightly, just inching down, not been major moves besides one, and then now we're really retracing and regaining part of that luster. So we're getting back to this 21,000 level. So it's really important to keep an eye on it, to see where to buy the pullbacks. Yesterday there was no pullback. It just gapped up and just stayed up there, and they're really a very difficult trading day for trading the Dow Jones. So keep an eye on this as this relates, and see if we do continue rallying up in it. Let's see if it does go up. Maybe you could look to buy it at the breakout 20,790-ish level. But it's a very hard play, okay, because we're right there. Better probability was to buy it down here. Obviously, it looked like it was ready to, the end of the world at 20,329 since Friday. But that's basically what they do. They make things look weak before they take them up. And this is a case in point in that, okay? So, if you missed it, don't chase it, but just realize, that the technicals are there, and that, the opportunity will present itself. So if it doesn't break this 20,789, looks more of a short. If it does break it with volume and a candle, then we may just challenge this 21,000 again. Might not happen today or tomorrow, but keep an eye on it as it does unfold. Looking at the ZAR bouncing here a little bit from 1286 to 1300, also something to keep your eye out to see how this unfolds, because we had this big retracement, big rally, then big retracement. So if this is just trading in a wild range, you may want to look to scalp it, okay, as opposed to swing trade it. So that's something that's unfolding. And looking at oil trading below $50 a barrel, as you can see here, this is a support level, 49.45-ish level. Looking at a daily chart, we haven't been back at these levels for a little bit of some time. Okay, we've been trading within this range. The upper range 54, the lower range 48-ish, 49-ish levels. So if you look to buy the bottom of this range as we get closer to this support level, this is preview resistance, and we could look to buy this 49-ish level. Maybe it'll trade within these two new ranges that it's developing for itself, and these are higher probability trades at this point, to trade within this 49.31 and 54.32 levels. So this is unfolding as well. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, a little bit of a bounce here since last week, as we can see here, a little bit of a gap up since Sunday, but looking at it 4-hour chart, Not much. Okay, I would have liked to have seen a more aggressive bounce, but you just see that it's just churning down. And then once there's short covering, there's a nice spike, but it looks really, it's still below the 30-day average. Okay, so it's still within that confine, breaking the 14-day average, obviously, but it's got to show that it's really turning its motion from continuously down. So let's see how this unfolds later today. This is Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.